strawberry smoothie. I had these fresh strawberries that I had cut up and put in the freezer. So I'm gonna put like that amount in there. It says this is a recipe for one person. If you're gonna make it for more, you're gonna have to double the recipe. It says 4 whole strawberries, but since they're cut up, that's probably about 4 whole. And then you put a 1/4 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon white sugar, and 3 ice cubes. So let's put, I got lactose-free milk here. You can use skim milk, you can use almond milk, you can use whatever milk you want to use in this. I can't. Dairy, I have to limit my dairy intake because it doesn't agree with my stomach. So I'm going to take a tablespoon of white sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla. And then get a 1/4 of a cup of plain yogurt. You can use Greek yogurt if you want. I've got plain yogurt. Then I'm just going to put, it says 3 ice cubes, so I'm just going to try that and see how it does. And then you put it on, mine has a option for smoothie, so I'm going to put that on.
It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see. It's gonna be a fine day today, I can see.
Consistency.
Gonna be a fine day today for you and me. It's gonna be a fine day today, just wait and see.
And then put it in a cup of
Blue sky.
I got some other smoothie recipes that I'll be doing videos of too. I have a pumpkin spice one that I want to try. I'm going to try here soon. Okay, let's try this. Good. Okay, yeah. If you like smoothies, try this one because it's good. But like I said, it's only for one person, so if you want to make it for more than one person, you have to double the recipe.